Hello dear entrepreneur, freelancer, and student friends. In this video, I will educate you about how to write an informative essay. So, if you are also looking forward to learn how to write an informative essay, then keep watching this full video, and please don't skip any part. What is an informative essay? An informative essay is an essay where you have to inform the reader about anything related to the topic provided, or anything you are acquainted with, or make yourself acquainted with after research. Informative essay includes details that you as a writer have on the subject, and it's your responsibility to pass your detail accurately to the reader. Informative essay is different from other essays, like persuasive or argumentative, because you simply inform and educate the reader about the topic, without persuading or arguing. You don't have to make critical remarks about the topic in your informative essay. Just provide detailed and precise information about the topic of research. Examples of informative essay are: write an essay about domestic violence, or write an essay about your favorite sports. How to prepare for writing your informative essay? It is mandatory to prepare before you start writing an informative essay. Preparing for the essay makes gathering necessary resources easier, while saving lots of time. You can follow following steps to write an essay. Choose your topic. It is mandatory to choose your topic before you start writing your essay. If you are not provided initially with any topic, then you must choose a topic that best matches your experience and interest. You can easily write a good informative essay if it interests you, like your favorite sports. Research the internet. Once you choose your topic, or got the topic from your lecturer, your next step is to research the internet on that topic. The best way to research your topic is to type the keyword. Your topic file type :PDF. This keyword will allow you to find specific researches on your topic on Google. For instance, if you are writing about domestic violence, then simply write the keyword effects of domestic violence file type :PDF. Now choose the best PDF files from the search results, after reading them one by one. Remember to choose only the PDFs you think can provide effective resource for writing your essay. Conduct a thorough research. It is mandatory to carry out detailed research before you start writing your essay, in case you are not acquainted with the topic. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Choose the best PDF files you have downloaded from the internet, and check for the best content on your topic. Read the PDF files you have selected for research, and outline the main concepts of the topic. For instance, if you are asked to write about domestic violence, then research some latest data and information about domestic violence, like the number of yearly domestic violence cases, or rate of prevalence of domestic violence cases in different countries. Also gather some major points about your topic, like, what is the main reason of domestic violence, or why domestic violence is increasing every year. Make a rough draft. After researching the main points, data, and information, note down all main points in your rough draft. Make an outline of your essay, for what you are going to write in your essay. Mention which points you are going to discuss in the body paragraphs. This could allow you to limit the number of words required for the essay, while saving your precious time. How to write an informative essay? You can easily write an informative essay if you are totally acquainted with the topic. For instance, suppose that you are asked to write an informative essay about your favorite sports. Then you can easily write an essay about your favorite sports like soccer. However, you must remember that it is not mandatory that your readers are also acquainted with your favorite sports like soccer. So, you must write your essay in a most simple way, while providing detailed information about every rule and regulation of soccer. If you are provided with a topic like domestic violence, then carry out thorough research, and then start writing your essay. You can follow following steps to write your essay. Write your introduction. You must introduce your readers about your topic, and some data regarding your topic, in the introduction part. For instance, in the domestic violence example, start your introduction with a hook sentence that, how domestic violence cases are increasing rapidly over the past few years. Now, end your paragraph with a good thesis statement. For instance, you can use following introduction for writing an informative essay about domestic violence. Domestic violence has become a major issue among most countries in the world. Researches carried out on domestic violence confirm that 1 out of every 3 women in the world have experienced some kind of domestic violence during their lifetime. Domestic violence is recognized as a risk factor that may result in economic deprivation, self-harming, social isolation, depression, drug and alcohol abuse, and PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. Domestic violence is also a major obstacle for the social and economic growth of the country. Write your body paragraphs. You must start every paragraph in a body with a particular topic sentence, and then carry out writing in detail about that topic sentence in the whole paragraph. Don't discuss too many points in a single paragraph, and separate them with different paragraphs in the body part. For instance, you can start your first body paragraph in the domestic violence essay with a topic like, domestic violence cases are higher among some African and Asian countries like Nigeria, South Africa, India, Pakistan, etc. Then carry out to write about the prevalence of domestic violence in these countries throughout the paragraph. Then, start another paragraph while discussing about the mental issues of domestic violence, and carry out writing in detail about that, and so on. Summarize your analysis in the concluding part. Your essay must contain a good concluding part, where you must summarize the main points of your essay. Don't start any new topic, and just summarize your essay. The concluding paragraph is not a place to introduce new topic or evidence. Remind your readers about the positive outcomes of the essay. For instance, in the domestic violence example, you can write, in this essay, some common aspects of domestic violence and its effects are discussed. In the first paragraph, the prevalence of domestic violence in African and Asian countries are discussed. Thereafter, the psychological and mental effects of domestic violence on women victims are discussed. It can be said in conclusive remarks that the government of many countries are taking necessary steps to mitigate and prevent domestic violence. It can be totally eradicated with the help and support of every individual living on this planet. So, this was my detailed video on how to write an informative essay. If you loved this video, then please like it, give a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. This will let you watch our videos instantly whenever they are uploaded in our channel.